In this exercise, we will design the user interface using Listbox and Combobox. Here we will use a Combobox control which displays a drop-down list when the user clicks on it. It is used to provide a list option on the form where very little space is available. It has a property of items collection which stores the items in the list. Listbox control is similar to Combobox control but instead has an open interface where the user can see the items in the list and select the items. Both the controls raise selected index changed event in response when the user selects any items in the list. Now we move on to Sharp Develop to understand the code of this form. Here is the form with a Combobox control and a Listbox control. We can add items to the Combobox control at design time using items collection property. Here we enter a list of strings to be displayed in the control, but it is recommended to add items in the control at runtime. In the Events tab, we can define the selected index changed event for the Combobox control so that when we select any item in the Combobox control, the event is raised and we can get the selected item. Listbox control also has the items property which we can populate at design time or runtime and add selected index change event to get the selected item in the list box. In the main form script, we define two functions, prepare combo box and prepare list box. These functions are called in the constructor function to add the items in both the controls. In prepare combo box function, items are added in the items collection of the combo box control using add range method of the collection. Now in the selected index change event, we get the selected item text in the combo box control using text property of the sender object. For the listbox control also, this procedure is repeated and we get the selected item in the list box. Now we run the program and see the form. After selecting item in the combo box, the label control displays the text of the selected item. Selecting item from listbox control is also updating the label control in the selected index change event handler. So we can see that combo box and listbox controls almost have same functionality in terms of selecting items, but differ only in their size and arrangement.